Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. January 25, 2026, Sunday Raising. Araw po ng linggo ngayon. Happy Family Day to each and every one of you. The family that prays together is stay together. At may dagdag ko lang po, the family that eat together, happy together. Ang bawat yugto, bawat sandali na magkakasama ang pamilya ay very valuable. Ngayong araw ng linggo, meron po tayong 8 races. Patuloy Ferracom Rating-Based Handicap System Race. At meron pong isang MMTCI Special Benefit Race ngayong araw ng linggo. At dito pa rin yon sa Metro Turf, Tanawan, Batangas. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Sunday Racing, 2 p.m. alas 2 ng hapon. Meron pong request sa akin ang aking mga apo. Babati po sila sa akin darating na birthday sa Martes, January 27. Sila po yung aking mga inspirasyon sa buhay. Yung aking mga apong mababait at mapagmahal.
My dear Lolo, advance happy birthday. I wish you the best in life and the support you always wish for. I have faith that you will succeed in life in anything you do. Don't give up your hope and cherish contented moments in life. Stay safe and once again, happy birthday, Lolo!
Lolo Pogi, advance happy birthday to you. I wish you stay happy and caring. Happy birthday, Lolo Pogi.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo! I love you, Lolo!
I love you, Lolo.
Thank you na rin po sa lahat ng nanonood. Sana manalo po kayo. Happy racing!
Salamat po sa pagsuporta sa Cool Lolo Channel. I wish manalo po kayo.
Race number 1. First Pick 5 covers races 1 to 5. Race 1, 1,400 meter distance, may Super 6 at solid 11 to 15 rating-based handicap group. Itong race 1. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Take a Chance. JL, paano riding? Just in case. Kung sakali. Option. Ate pong cool second choice, number 4, My Diamond. Dan L. Camanero on top. Race 2. Ito po ang umpisa ng winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. 1,400 meter distance din at mayroong pentapekta. Rating base handicap group. Lahat po ito solid 11 to 15. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 7, Majestic Star. JD Calagos on the saddle. Gamay niya po ito. Iyon po ang ating pong laging nakikita. Cool second choice. Number 9, Danish Sun. Is keeper by JM is Torque. Ito na po yung MMTCI Special Benefit Race. Isang tribute race for the late Jackie Elvin A. Abrea. ang akin pong kinukonsider na isa sa mga magagaling na hinete dito sa Pilipinas at meron pang mataas na IQ sa pagdadala ng kabayo at diskarte sa paghihinete. Race 3, 1,600 meter distance. Meron pong Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, yung nanalo na sa marami dito. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Anytime, Anywhere. John Alvin Guze on top. Cool second choice, number 4, Rumored. J.A. Pastoral on the saddle. Bago tayo sa race 4, second pick 5 covers races 4 to 8. 1,400 meter distance, may pentapekta. Itong race 4 po, rating base handicap group. Lahat ng entries dito, below 5. Meaning, wala pong 5, kundi below. 4, 3, 2, 1. At meron nang yung out na sa rating base handicap group number. Ang ating pong cool first choice, last to enter. At pwedeng first to go out. Batay o depende sa diskarte ng hinete. Cool first choice natin, number 8, 1 for the road. Cool second choice, number 3, Apollo. Nasa unahan ito. Pwedeng mag-strike at kunin ang unahan. Cool third choice, number 1, may remate at meron ding tinatawag na bilis dahil dati po itong nagpapanalo ng banderang tapos. Cool third choice, number 1, Victorious Passion. Tumako na tayo sa race 5. Pick 4 covers races 5 to 8. May Super 6. Solid po ang lineup na ito. Lahat kabilang sa rating base handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Tasha. Cool second choice, coupled entry, 8, Veterano. 8A, Basket of Gold. Race 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Speed Runner. J.A. Kuse on top. Cool second choice, coupled entry, 6, Madam Mayhem. O.P. Cortez riding. At ang coupled niya, 6A, Frosty Raven. K.E. Malapira on top. Dito sa race 7, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Isla Puting Bato with Jackie NC Lunar. Cool second choice. Itong kabayo na ito po ay naobserbahan po natin. Humble assessment ko po, on and off. Nakaraan, off. So, probably, most likely, on siya ngayon. Cool second choice, number 14, Electrify. Cool third choice, number 9, may bilis at may staying power. Number 9, cool third choice natin, Feisty. Last race, paratingan, may Super 6. At solid din po ang lineup na ito. Ang kanyang rating-based handicap group, lahat sila 16 to 21. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 12, Para sa Masa. Cool second choice, number 8, Concrete Solution. At meron po tayong cool third choice, number 6, Dreams of the World. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!